अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री में आज हम बात करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन। इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड द काज ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन सेवरल डिवीजन कैन बी मेड। प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स, सेकेंडरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स। Primary air pollutant can be caused by primary sources or secondary sources. The pollutants that are direct result of process can be called primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are one that are caused by the intermingling and reaction of primary pollutants. Primary pollutants. Major primary pollutants produced by human activity. Sulfur oxides, particularly sulfur dioxide chemical compound with formula SO2. SO2 is produced by volcanoes and in various industrial processes. Coal and petroleum often contain sulfur compounds and their combustion generates sulfur dioxide. Nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides, particularly nitrogen dioxide, are expelled from high temperature combustion and are also produced during thunderstorms by electric discharge. They can be seen as brown haze dome above a plum downwind of cities. Carbon monoxide. CO is a colorless, odorless, toxic yet non-irrigation gas. It is produced by incomplete combustion of fuel such as natural gas, coal or wood. Vehicular exhaust is a major source of carbon monoxide. Volatile organic compounds. Volatile organic compounds are well-known outdoor air pollutants. They are categorized as either methane or non-methane. Non-methane volatile organic compounds. Methane is an extremely efficient greenhouse gas which contribute to enhanced global warming. The aromatic non-methane volatile organic compounds benzene, toluene and xylene are suspected carcinogens and may lead to leukemia with prolonged exposure. Particulates, alternatively referred to as particulate matter, atmospheric particulate matter or fine particles, are tiny particles and gas. Some particulates occur naturally, originating from volcanoes, dust storms, forests, and grassland fires, living vegetation, and sea spray. Human activities such as burning of fossil fuel in vehicles, power plants, and various industrial processes also generate significant amount of aerosols. Chlorofluorocarbon, harmful to ozone layer, emitted from products currently banned from use. These are gases which are released from air conditioners, refrigerators, aerosol spray, etc. This allows harmful ultraviolet rays to reach Earth's surface. Ammonia, emitted from agriculture processes. Ammonia is a compound with formula NH3. Ammonia, either directly or indirectly, is also a building block for synthesis of many pharmaceuticals. In the atmosphere, ammonia reacts with oxides of nitrogen and sulfur to form secondary particles. Secondary pollutants, particulate created from gaseous primary pollutants and compound in photochemical smoke. Smoke is a kind of air pollution. Smoke results from large amount of coal burning in an area caused by mixture of smoke and sulfur dioxide. Ground level ozone formed from NOx and volatile organic compounds. It is also an important constituent of certain regions of the stratosphere commonly known as ozone layer. Photochemical and chemical reaction involving it drive many of chemical processes that occur in atmosphere by day and by night. Sources: there are various location activities or factors which are responsible for releasing pollutant into atmosphere. These sources can be classified into two major categories: anthropogenic, man-made sources, natural sources. Major sources of pollutants: 21% household and other products, 38% cars and trucks, 18% industry, 23% non-road engines. Anthropogenic sources, man-made sources. These are related to burning of multi types of fuel. Stationary sources including smoke, stacks of power plants, manufacturing facilities, and waste incinerator, as well as furnaces and other types of fuel burning heating devices. Chemicals, dust, and controlled burn particles in agriculture and forest management. Mobile sources include motor vehicles, marine vessels, and aircraft. Fumes from paint, hair spray, varnish, aerosol spray, and other solvents. Waste deposition in landfills which generate methane. Natural sources: dust from natural sources, usually large area of land with few or no vegetation. Methane emitted by digestion of food by animals, for example cattle. Radon gas from radioactive decay within Earth's crust. It is considered to be health hazard. Radon gas from natural sources can accumulate in buildings, especially in confined areas such as basement. Smoke and carbon monoxide from wildfire. Volcanic activity which produces sulfur, chlorine, and ash particulates. Burning of fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide emitted from combustion of fossil burning like coal, petroleum, and other factory combustibles of pollution. Pollution emitted from vehicles including trucks, jeeps, cars, trains, airplanes cause immense amount of pollution. Agriculture activities. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from agriculture related activity and is one of the most hazardous gas in atmosphere. Use of insecticides, pesticides, and fertilizer in agriculture activities has grown quite a lot. They emit harmful chemicals into air and can also cause water pollution. Exhaust from factories and industries. Manufacturing industry release large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds, and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. Mining operator. Mining is process wherein minerals below the earth are extracted using large equipment. During the process, dust and chemicals are released in air, causing massive air pollution. Indoor air pollution. Household cleaning products, painting supplies emit toxic chemical in air and cause air pollution. Effects of air pollution on human health. Health effect of pollution. Air pollution, headache, fatigue, nerve damage, particulate matter, ozone, volatile organic compounds, respiratory illness, cardiovascularness, cancer risk, and many more. The effects of air pollution are alarming. They are known to create several respiratory and heart conditions along with cancer among other threats to body. Air pollution causes following diseases in human body: cystic fibrosis, lung disease, cancer, difficulty in breathing, wheezing, coughing, asthma, worsening of existing respiratory and cardiac conditions. Effect of air pollution on material. Particulate matter cause damage to building. Corrosion is enhanced. It causes crack, fading of pointed surface. Particulate accumulate on the soil and reduces